this company came to us after they had already been infected, and their network was down. And then secondly, they didn't have backups in place to then go back to. Uh, they were a small. I think they were about 15-person company delivering passports to individuals. They had to recover their business of the lost data by, going through old emails or just recreating it from memory or just saying, sorry, I can't recover that data. Luckily, one of their main applications was hosted in a different place on the server that wasn't accessible by this attack, and we were able to recover that, which was the bulk of their business transactions. And so that was very lucky for them. But not everybody's so lucky, Raj. If something like that happens and all of your data is gone and you can't function as a business, I mean, it could be very devastating to your company, putting you out of business potentially.